So the today topic is represent root 3 on the number line. As I told you yesterday that the root 3 is depend on the root 2. So firstly we have to revise root 2, how it will be represented on the number line. So you remember that for the under root 2 we have draw a line segment OA of is equal to 1 unit or 1 centimeter. Again it will be 1 as a perpendicular, and this is the hypotenuse and it will be B. So by the Pythagoras theorem, it is under root 2. So this is under root 2. Now see that how 3 can be represented. 3 can be represented as in this way, and 3 is can also be written as in this way. It is also satisfied. So if you have to obtain this, make this as a base or perpendicular. Suppose this is base, then it will be perpendicular. So we have root 2 as a base here. We will suppose now for the base for the root 3. So if it is base, draw a perpendicular line on it. This, make a perpendicular line by the protector and make this point, suppose that D. This is root 2 and this is 1. Join OD now. Join OD. This is D point. This is point D. So by the Pythagoras theorem, in the triangle OBD, in the side I will write in triangle OBD. So this OD is, by the Pythagoras theorem, OD square is equal to root 2 whole square plus 1 square. This is equal to 2 plus 1, and then if you find out that OD is equal to root 3. This distance is root 3. Taking O as a center again, we have taken yesterday in the case of root 2. Make the length OD, arc, take an arc OD and draw in such a way on this. When you will take an arc O and then you will arc at it. Suppose that I am trying to draw it by my pen and extend this line. So this OE is under root 3, under root 3, and you know that the value of under root 3 is 1.732, so it will be greater than 1. So take O as a center and arc OD, draw an arc in such a way, this, and then this length O is equal to under root 3. So root 2 and root 3, these are the two most important topics of the first chapter. Tomorrow we will consider an example, more example, under root 9.8. Now decimal quantity we will use, how to find out.